Today I am going to embroider this simple Parsi border design. I am going to start from here. I have started from the center. I am going to do, first of all, I am going to do satin stitch to fill this up. First the satin stitch. You begin from the center. Try not to leave gap between two stitches. Then it doesn't look good. Simple satin stitch to fill this up. After filling this part with satin stitch using the same thread, just on the edge I am going to do buttonhole stitch only for the edge. Take the thread round the needle only 3 times. That would be enough. Just 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and put the needle down. This is only for the edge. For this sleeve, I have taken a shaded thread of yellow. I'll start from the center of the leaf. From top, I'll go down over here. For the center, I will take the thread at least 10 times round the needle. At least 10 times round the needle. Then gently pull the needle through the thread. Gently pull the needle through the thread. Just pull the needle through the thread and put the needle down over here. Then again you come up from this side. After completing these 2 leaves, now this portion I am going to fill it up using satin stitch. Simple satin stitch I am going to use for fill up this portion. For Parsi border, mainly satin stitch is used. Just that. Again, I have started from the center. Just that. For doing this portion of the flower, I have taken a red shaded thread and I am going to fill this up again using satin stitch. Simple satin stitch. I have taken a red shaded thread. Simple satin stitch I am going to do to fill this portion. That is all. For the leaves, I am going to use satin stitch. a simple stitch for filling in. And for the stems, I am going to use the same green thread and stem stitch. The thread on the left hand side, take small stitches. Thread should be on the left hand side. That's all. And for the border, I am going to do buttonhole stitch. Thread round the needle and then just pick up the needle. That's all. The thread round the needle and pull the needle up. That is all. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video tutorial, then kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.